everybody. My name is Allison. I'm the Programs, Outreach, and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of STEAM Time. Today we are going to be talking about optical illusions, and I am also going to show you what is in our January 2022 activity bag. So these activity bags will be available at any MCFL branch starting on Tuesday, January 25th. Bags are available while supplies last. So the bags look like this, and inside each one you are going to find an instruction sheet and a little bit of the science behind our activity, which we're going to go over in today's video, and a coloring page and a pack of crayons. So our activity this month is fairly easy, but it's very cool. It is this optical illusion coloring sheet. And when we color in the different sections of this sheet, it is going to make it look like a spiral going down towards the center of our page. And that is what's called an optical illusion. An optical illusion is something that tricks your brain into thinking that it's seeing something that isn't there. In this case, we all know that there isn't a little vortex on our page. You can't reach your hand down into this tunnel, but it does look like there is a tunnel on the page. So before we get started with how to do the activity, let's talk about some more optical illusion facts. Like I said, optical illusions trick our brains into thinking that we're seeing something that we're not. They can use color, light, and patterns to create these images. Optical illusions occur when the brain is trying to make sense of what it is seeing, but is misinterpreting the information. Again, in this activity, your brain is misinterpreting what it sees and thinking that you're seeing something that is three-dimensional when really it's two-dimensional on this flat piece of paper. There are a lot of different kinds of optical illusions, and I encourage you to learn more by checking out some books that we have in our collection. You can visit our website, www.emcfl.org, and do a keyword search on optical illusions to find more information. So let's jump into our activity. For this activity, you are going to need 4 colors of crayons, which is perfect because there are 4 colors in the crayon packs that are in your bag. So you're going to need 2 pairs. So you can pick however you want to pair up your crayons. I'm going to do red and yellow and blue and green as my pairs. Now what you're going to want to do is to use a pair to color in the alternating columns, is what I'm calling these. So for instance, I would color this red and yellow, and then I'd skip over one, red and yellow, red and yellow, red and yellow, and I would color the alternating ones in blue and green. And you're also going to want to alternate the colors that you're using as you go down the column. So you're going to want to make a pattern going red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, or whatever it is, the pattern that you want to create. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with mine. You can follow along and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Right, here is what it looks like. So you can see that we've actually got 2 different types of illusions. One is that it looks like it's spiraling down into the center, but also it does look like the blue and green spirals are further out than the red and yellow spirals. So there's 2 different optical illusions going on. I hope that you have fun with this activity. We would love to see photos of your finished coloring sheets, so please share those with us in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.